Hey visionaries, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Shalia, also known as the Visionpreneur. So whether you're a seasoned subscriber or joining me for the first time, I'm thrilled to have you here. As your passive income specialist and business strategist, I'm all about empowering you to create and maintain multiple streams of income because financial freedom is the dream and the goal. In this video, I'll be showing you how to copyright your books, journals, or any other creative works. So first off, let's talk about what copywriting means. So what does it mean to copyright something? To copyright something means to secure legal protection for original works of creation, such as writings, music, art, or software that are fixed in tangible form. This protection is granted under copyright law, which is designed to recognize and enforce the rights of creators over their creations. So basically, copyright is like a rule that says if you create something original, like a story, a song, a movie, or even software, you get special rights to decide how it's used. And these rights help make sure that if others want to use your creation, they might need to ask for permission or even pay you. So let's talk a little bit about what copywriting actually entails. So number one, it gives you exclusive rights. Copyright gives the creator or the holder of the copyright the exclusive right to use, distribute, reproduce, and display the work. It also includes the right to create derivative works based on the original. Number two, it gives you control over usage. So the creator can decide who may use their work and under what conditions. They can grant permissions, like licenses, to others to use the work while retaining overall control, or they can sell the rights entirely. Number three, it gives you economic benefits. By controlling how the work is used, the copyright holder can monetize their creation through sales, licenses, or royalties. This economic incentive encourages further creativity and investment in creative endeavors. Number four, it gives you legal protection. Copyright law protects the rights of creators by giving them legal recourse if their work is used without permission. This might involve suing for copyright infringement to stop unauthorized use and to seek financial compensation. Number five, duration. Copyright protection is not indefinite. It typically lasts for the lifetime of the creator plus 70 years after their death. So after this period, the work enters the public domain, meaning it can be used by anyone without permission. Number six, automatic protection. In many cases, copyright protection is automatic from the moment the work is created and fixed in a tangible medium, and there is no requirement to register the copyright though the registration can provide additional legal benefits, such as making it easier to prove ownership and eligibility for statutory damages in a lawsuit. So here's how it actually works. Copyright is a protection that applies to any original work once it's expressed in physical form, and this can be anything you can read, watch, listen to, or interact with, like books, movies, music, and even software or architectural designs. It's important because it ensures that the creativity and effort put into making something is uniquely, legally acknowledged. So let's talk about your rights. Your rights as the creator. Copyright gives you control over your work. This includes the right to reproduce the work, distribute it, display it publicly, and make adaptations, like turning a novel into a movie. Essentially, these rights are going to allow you to decide who may use the work and how, including giving permissions to others to use your work under specific conditions. Moreover, you can sell these rights or transfer them to others, such as publishers or producers, who can then use the work while paying you royalties or a one-time fee. For instance, a musician might allow a company to use their song in an advertisement, helping them earn income from their creation. So let's talk about how long it lasts. Copyright lasts for a long time to ensure that the creators or their heirs can benefit from their works for a lifetime and beyond. For individual creators, it usually lasts until 70 years after their death. This means their family can continue to receive benefits from the work even after the creator has passed away. For works made for hire, anonymous or pseudonymous works, the duration can vary. Typically, these are protected for 95 years from publication or 120 years from creation, whichever is shorter. This long period helps to encourage investment in new works and innovations by providing a prolonged opportunity to recover that investment. Making money. The economic rights granted by copyright are vital for creators to earn a livelihood from their work. So these rights prevent others from using the work without permission, which could otherwise undermine the creator's ability to make money. So copyright makes sure that if anyone wants to use your work, in ways that can earn them money, they generally need to share a part of their earnings with you. And this setup encourages creators to continue producing new works by providing a financial incentive. So without copyright, it would be hard for creators to justify spending time and resources on something that anyone could copy and profit from without compensating the original creator. Let's talk about registering. So in many countries, copyright protection is automatic and does not require any formal registration. As soon as you create something and fix it in tangible form, you're protected. Registration, though not necessary, can provide additional legal benefits such as eligibility for statutory damages and attorney fees in the case of litigation. This means even if you're a beginner or don't have the resources to deal with legal paperwork, your creation is still protected. However, registering can be a helpful formal proof of your copyright should any disputes arise about who created the work first. And then finally, free for all. Once copyright expires, the work enters the public domain. This means anyone can use, share, or build upon the work without any need for permission. The transition of works into the public domain contributes to the cultural richness and allows for further creativity, where old works can inspire new ones without the constraints of copyright. So public domain not only enriches cultural exchange, but also supports education and access to information, making it a vital part of the creative life cycle. Now let's get on to how to actually copyright your books. Number one is to create your work. Copywriting a book or journal involves several steps to ensure that your work is properly protected and that you can enforce your rights if necessary. So the first step is to simply create your work. Copyright protection applies to original works of authorship that are fixed in a tangible form of expression. For a book or a journal, this means your work must be written down or otherwise recorded in a way that it can be perceived either directly or with the aid of a machine or device like printed text or digital file. Step 2 is to understand automatic protection. In many jurisdictions, including the United States, copyright protection is automatic upon the creation of the work and its fixation in a tangible medium. This means as soon as you write your book or compose your journal articles and save them in a physical or digital form, they are protected by copyright. Step 3 is to consider registration. Although copyright is automatic, formally registering your copyright with a government agency such as the U.S. Copyright Office offers several advantages, such as legal evidence, statutory damages, and protection against importation. Step 4 is to register your copyright. If you decide to register your copyright, here's how you can do it. Number 1 is to prepare your application. Complete the copyright application form available online at the U.S. Copyright Office website. You will need to provide details about the work and the authors. Then you're going to submit your work. You need to submit a copy of your book or journal. For unpublished works, you submit the entire work. For published works, you submit the best edition. Then you would pay the fee. There is a filing fee which you can pay online at the time of your application. Step 5 is receiving your certificate. After your application is processed, if everything is in order, you will receive a certificate of registration from the Copyright Office, and this certificate is your official proof of copyright and should be kept in a safe place. Step 6 is to maintain copyright practices. Once your work is copyrighted, ensure you use the copyright symbol with your name and the year of publication to alert others that the work is protected. Also, maintain good records of your work and any permissions granted to others to use your work. And step 7, monitor and enforce your copyright. Be vigilant about unauthorized use of your book or journal. You can do this by setting up Google Alerts, using services that search for copied content, or simply keeping an eye on places where such infringements might occur. If you find unauthorized use, you can send a cease and desist letter, negotiate a license, or take legal action if necessary. By following these steps, you can effectively protect your book or journal and control how it's used in the public domain, ensuring that any potential benefits are duly received. If you found value in this video today, please hit the like button and share it with someone who could benefit from it. Your support means the world and helps my channel grow, which in turn allows me to bring more valuable content your way. So don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. I'm here to support you on your journey to becoming a visionpreneur in your own right. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, keep building, keep dreaming, and keep making it happen.